how to enable or disable add orders tracking to wallet on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, we go down and tap on Add Orders to Wallet. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And if you turn this on, then your phone will be able to track the order when it is added to the wallet. So say here, orders from participating merchants will be automatically added to wallet. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.